Just finishing up, nailing up the corner of this awesome facade crown molding that is finished exactly like our stamped ceiling tiles from Fasade. And this is really just the icing on the cake. This really finishes off the whole room. As you can see how amazing this looks. Makes the transition between the wall and this awesome ceiling tile that we're using. And I love how they just match the finish from the tile on everything. They have different profiles, so many different designs of ceiling tiles. It's really a great product and it's awesome to work with. It's just easy to install, it's great to cut, and I'm going to finish it up right now. So check this out.